What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we will be building the Lego Pirate Ship Playground. This one was a free gift with purchase they've been doing for the last 2 weeks. They're doing it until June 1st, but this is what you got if you spent over $100 on the Lego store. So let's go ahead and get it built. Here's our Lego Pirate Ship playground set. We do have a movable piece back here. We can move the wheel and it's going to make the little ride spin. We got 2 minifigs, so that's always nice to add minifigs to our collection. And then on the back of it here we have a rock climbing wall, and there's a slide for our little pirates to go down. We can take them out of the lookout tower here, and let's take his sword off and send them on down the slide. So, fun little set. I always like the free gift with purchases. I like it when they're like this, where they're limited edition. You can only get them this way. So, it's always nice to get a special Lego. So, if you guys like that video, make sure that you like and subscribe for more content, and I will see you on the next build.